What did I do? Completely forgot. I did not bring them in that night, and it froze that night, and it completely killed them all. Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So we are currently in the backyard garden, and I have a couple of things that I need to show you. One good, one bad. And the bad is completely 100% my fault. So first, let me show you the good. And that is my carrots. I thought they were done for. And guess what? As soon as I put this greenhouse on top, they started coming back. Let me show you the carrots. So this section of the raised bed, I don't know if you remember, I planted just regular carrot seeds here. And on this half of the raised bed, I planted those coated carrot seeds. Those haven't germinated or popped up. So I think it has something to do with that coating. But I'm not giving up on them. Maybe they just take a little bit longer. So let me show you that side. There's no carrots that have popped up over there yet. So I'm going to go ahead and close this back up because it's still not 100% warm yet. We still have cold frost coming in. So I know this is a cold hardy vegetable, but they are still just seedlings and I don't want them to freeze out. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I guess this will be my little experiment that I didn't expect to do. Half of this side of the bed is covered with this greenhouse. The other half is not because my greenhouse was not big enough to cover the whole bed. So we will see what does better. This side without the covering or this side with the covering. Little experiment. Now on to the not such good thing here in the garden. Let's head over there. My onions. I was doing so good with my onions and they were getting really nice and big, and I thought I would bring them outside to kind of harden them off. And so I did that, and I told myself, don't forget, you have them outside. What did I do? Completely forgot. I did not bring them in that night, and it froze that night, and it completely killed them all. I left them out here in the warmth, hoping and praying that they would come back, but everything completely withered and faded in color. So I'm pretty sure these are done for. My hard work, gone. So I had to go into town, and I went ahead and I picked up some onion bulbs that I can go ahead and plant. So that way I have onions. Never grown them from this, so this will also be a first time. The onions were a first time from seed. And I know I did it. I just brought them outside and completely forgot about them. So we're gonna go ahead and prep. This bed is already ready. I need to prep this bed and put a couple bags of soil in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and start planting some onions today. Also, real quick, my fence is almost done. We just went ahead and put the cement for the posts in, so we have to let these harden off before we can finish the fence, and hubby needs to go and buy some more wood to finish that side. And then my garden fence will be up and ready to go. I'm going to add a little bit of nutrients to the soil right now before I go planting anything. And this just automatically will break down as it rains and everything else. It has kelp, worm castings, feather meal, and bone meal all in here. So it's all organic, natural fertilizer for the garden. I'm also going to add some perlite in here. This will just help with aeration and also for hydration of the soil itself. So I'm adding a little bit of this into both the beds. Alright friends, so the 3 different varieties that I got was a yellow onion, a sweet yellow onion, and then a red onion. So all three of these I'm gonna plant equal amounts in this one raised bed. See how many of these I can get in there. You need to place these at least 3 inches apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna place them all where I wanna put them. Once they're all in place, then we'll go ahead and we will put them deeper into the ground by 1 to 2 inches into the soil. So let's go ahead and start spacing these out. When you are planting your bulbs, you want to make sure that this part, this is where your roots are going to go down into the ground, and the pointy tip is going to go up. This is where the onion shoots are going to come out of, the green part. So that's how you want to place them in your soil. Alright, so I've got them all planted. Now I'm going to just go through and make sure they're all the way deep down and covered over at least by 1 inch of soil, and then they'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and press these in and get them watered in. Alright friends, so I am all done now planting my onions. That is 3 different varieties of onions that I went ahead and planted in this one giant raised bed. So friends, if you do happen to kill one of your plants, it's okay. Learn, next year do better, and then also just restart it. If you're able to, go ahead and resow those seeds. I'm not able to resow those seeds because it's going to take way too long to do it from seed. So the next best thing is to go ahead and do the bulbs. And hopefully these all pop up. So in a couple weeks, I'll bring y'all back to show you how the onions are doing, and we will check again on my carrots and see how they're doing. So friends, thanks for stopping by my backyard garden with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.